Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen. Today I am doing another hike and I'm going to take y'all with me. I am currently hiking at Cedar Hill State Park and I am going to talk about some of my favorite state parks near Dallas to hike at, and this is one of them. Right now I am doing the Duck Pond Trail, and this is a short little trail that takes you to a pond. And this is a nice state park. I've been here twice. I love it because it's close to Dallas. So if you want something that's close to home and you don't want to travel too far, this is a great state park to check out. I would say another great state park to check out that's close to Dallas is Dinosaur Valley State Park. I think that one is my favorite one so far. That's relatively close, meaning under 3 hours close. I really like Dinosaur Valley because there's plenty of opportunities to swim and play with the water. There's a blue hole and it's kind of hidden there. The first time I went to Dinosaur Valley, I discovered it on my way home, so I didn't really have time to stay there long, and it was also pretty cold the first time I went, so I didn't have an opportunity to swim in it. But the second time I went to Dinosaur Valley, I actually got to swim in the hole, and that was amazing. So if you go to Dinosaur Valley, check that out. Another great state park that's close to Dallas is Eisenhower State Park. That one is about an hour and a half from Dallas, and that one's also cool. It has a little beach, so if you are missing the beach and you want some beach vibes, there's a little beach area there, and it also has some caves along the beach. Another great state park that's close to Dallas is Tyler State Park, and I just recently checked that one out and I really love it because there's a ton of trees, so definitely one to check out. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know where do you like to go hiking in your community, and I will see you on the next video.